quadruple time step. Woo! Now, if you have not yet learned the single, the double, or the triple time step, please check those videos out here. You really need to know those before you dive into the quadruple. But for those of you who are already familiar and already well-versed in the single, double, triple time steps, let's learn the quadruple. Now, just like all of the other time steps, the quadruple is going to add one additional sound. So, whereas the single time step, the timing was this: a 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. And the double was a 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And the triple was a 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8. The quadruple adds in one additional sound, and the timing will be 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8. Take a look. Very slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 E and a 2. And 3 and 4. So you're going to add in an extra hop, stomp, hop, shuffle, hop, step, the lap, step, stomp, hop, shuffle, hop, step, the lap, step, stomp. I'm going to do that to the back. 5, 6, 7, stomp. Hop, shuffle, hop, step, the lap, step, stomp. Hop, shuffle, hop, step, the lap, step, stomp. Okay, let's do it a little bit faster to the front. 2 in a row. 5, 6, 7, stomp. Hop, shuffle, hop, step, the lap, step, stomp. Hop, shuffle, hop, step, the lap, step, stomp. And to the side, 5, 6, 7, stomp. Hop, shuffle, hop, step, the lap, step, stomp. Hop, shuffle, hop, step, the lap, step, stomp. Okay guys, just like the single, double, and triple, you can add in the extra sounds of the pickup or the shuffle instead of the stomp. You can definitely work on that at home, but for today, why don't we go ahead and finish up this video by doing 8 just standard quadruple time steps together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hop, shuffle, hop, change, the lap, step, stomp. 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 4 more. Great job, you guys. I would love to see your progress, so please tag me on Instagram and let me see how you're doing. And in the meantime, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, there will be more tap tutorials coming soon. Bye.